In this video, I'm showing how to convert an Adobe PDF to an image file without losing quality. In this scenario, I have a set of prints open here for a very large building, and if I zoom in, you can see all the room numbers are very crisp and clear and easy to read. Just to demonstrate the problem, I'm going to use the built-in export function within Adobe, and I'm just going to export this as a PNG file. Now when I open up the exported image file, it looks good from afar, but when I zoom in here, you can see it's far from good. The simplest fix that I've found for this problem is to use a program called Gimp to convert the PDF to an image file. To download that, you just need to go to the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar, and then just search for Gimp. And it's just this option here with a little dog face looking at you. After you have it installed, you can close out of the Microsoft Store. Now I'm going to go to my PDF file and right click on it. Go to Open With, select GIMP 3. On this screen for resolution, I had to set it to 1000 pixels per inch, and also make sure that Use Anti-Aliasing is turned on, then click on Open. I have a decent computer, but it did take a few seconds to open up the file here, so just be patient if it seems like it's taking a while. Now that the image is open, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in again here just to confirm there's no loss of quality, and all the room numbers are still looking nice and sharp just like we want them to. Next, I'm going to click on File, and then click on Export As. Click on Select File Type. I'm going to scroll through the options here and select PNG image. And I'm going to change the name to Building Print 2. And then click on Export. On this screen, I leave everything as defaults and then click Export again. You get a progress bar across the bottom. It takes a few seconds as it chews on the file. And you can see here we have Building Print 2. And the file size being much larger is already a good sign since it indicates that there's probably a lot more detail. And just to confirm, I'll go ahead and open it up here. And now when we zoom in, much better. And just a quick comparison here between the file that was exported with Adobe versus the file that was exported with Gimp. Alright, that's it for this video. Hope this was useful if you're also having a problem exporting files with Adobe and losing quality. Hit like if this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.